Hey guys, welcome back to Lewin Global Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the ASTRO Gaming. This is the A40 TR and this is the X edition. And I believe this is their 10-year anniversary edition. So let's open it up and take a look at what we have here. This out of the way. You guys get a good view of this here. And one of the reasons I got this is because it has a mod feature on it where you can take out different parts of the headphone and choose how you want it to look. So let's break the seal on this bad boy. Alright, first let's see the back before we get inside the box here. Alright. Okay, put that down. And this is the box. It comes in here. Alright, so be careful. I see on this side here that it has the guides, tells you about the headphones, the warranty, all that cool stuff. Then you have some stickers and stuff over here. Then you have the headphones jack. This is, as you can see, this is a wired headphone set. 3.5 millimeter plug here, you guys can see. You can see the badge on here. You guys can even see that. There's another set of cables here. This is a dual connection headphone microphone. You guys can even see that on the labels on there. And it's a splitter. You can plug into that. Then you have the headphones itself. And it's lightweight. Let's get all this plastic off here. As you guys can see, I got the red version. You guys can see the colors here. You guys can see at the top. Turn this way. There. And the sides here, where the cable comes out. Okay guys, now let me tell you why I really love this ASTRO Gaming headset. I like the removable microphone. That's a must for me. But what I really like is because it's, you know, you can buy the mods for it. They're sold individually. I think there's 5 different ones as the making of this video right now. I think there's only 5, I believe. And you can remove these. They're magnetic. And then you can replace them whichever design you want, you know. Also, the microphone is able to be put over on the other side, so you can put it on either side because there's another plug-in right there, so you can switch it around whichever side you want to use for that. And also, I guess you call them ear muffs. I'm not exactly sure the correct name, but these are removable also, and I love that. You know, these can get damaged or worn out, You know, I wish other companies would do this too. So you can remove and replace these air cushions. They wear out, you know, just get some new ones. So mostly everything, this side's replaceable. The air muffs or air cushions, whatever you want to call them, replaceable. Also here, the little pad on top of your head, this is removable also. It takes a little bit more to take this one off because it's like clipped in there. This one's not magnetic. Let me see if I can take it off here. It's clipped in there, so takes a little extra work for this one. Here we go, got it. Now you can take that off and replace that with a different color or different pad if it gets worn out. So I love that about this. All that stuff, you know, that you can replace on this if it wears out, you know, you need to update it. So there's a lot of the pros I like about it. The stereo is very good. Like when you're listening, the only part about it is the microphone. I'd say it's a mid-range. It's not the best, you know, like a mid-range mic, but the rest, I love it. It's great, you know. So I believe it also has a sound controller that you can actually get, you know, or sound mixer or whatever they call it. And it doesn't have a mute button. It has this little switch where they can see this red right here, and you push it up. It's off. So, but I would rather have like a button, but you know, as long as you have a mute function, that's also good. But I'd rather have a button on there. But you know, and the cable's pretty long, so that's another positive on that. So those are what I really like about this, you know, headphones. It's also lightweight. It's very comfortable when I wear it. It's very nice. Its cushions are soft, so it's very comfortable. So I love that about this gaming headset. So if you guys want to get a pair of these, I'll leave a link. But in my opinion, they are very good. I like these. I like these very much. So hopefully you guys got some information about these, and hope it was helpful to you. See you on the next video. Bye-bye now.